Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to make yummy pasta. This is one of my favorites and I'll tell you how I got that peachy color. Let's get started. So for this I took all the vegetables I have. I took onions, spinach, tomatoes, bell peppers, squash, cilantro, cucumbers, carrots, jalapenos, the beetroots, and cabbage, garlic chives, and some garlic. You should chop the vegetables fine or just shred them however you want, and then you're going to cook them in some butter. So to prepare the pasta sauce, I am adding some butter in the pan and I'm adding in all the vegetables I have. And to get the peachy color, you need that carrots and beetroots. They're essential because the blend of that orange and red will give you that peachy color. So take all the vegetables you have except tomatoes and cook all the vegetables in butter. And look at this, I took all the vegetables and I'm now coating all the vegetables with butter. See, saute like this and they get coated with the butter. And while they're getting cooked, I took water in another pan, added some salt, let it boil like this. And now the veggies are almost cooked and I'm now adding the tomatoes here. So mix the tomatoes and let them get soft. See, I think the veggies are almost done. I tasted the shredded carrot and it tasted good and cooked. So now I'm adding in the flour. I'm adding 1 glass of whole wheat flour. You can add maida, but wheat flour is a safer option. And now I'm just sauteing the flour with the vegetables so they get coated like this. And now you can add milk. The quantity of flour and milk can be adjusted depending upon the consistency you need for the sauce. So I need it little runny, so I added more milk. And I am now adding in the pasta into the boiling water. So just carefully add the pasta. I took the fettuccine pasta, I think it is. So you can add the macaroni type pasta as well. Just put the lid on and let it boil. Once the pasta is soft enough, just drain the pasta. And meanwhile the pasta sauce is cooking and I'm just adjusting the consistency of the pasta sauce here with the milk. I as I told you, I needed a little runny, so I adjusted the consistency of the sauce here. And then I'm adding in all the pasta I cooked. So the pasta is almost ready here. As the sauce is ready, the pasta is cooked. Now we're going to add some the toppings for this pasta. Like I'm going to add the mozzarella sauce to get that cheesy flavor to the pasta. And now adding in some dried herbs. You can add any dried herbs you have. I added the pizza herbs I have. And then I'm adding in the pepper powder and some salt to taste the pasta. So that's it. Once you mix the spices together, your pasta is all ready to be served. Just take it to your bowl, serving bowl, and you should be all good to taste. So yeah, I'm taking into my serving bowl and I can't wait to taste it. Look at this. The pasta is exactly at the consistency I want and the color I need. The pasta is all ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.